just play finish. So we hear more about that one later from Brother Shaggy. We'll tell us they for house. Nelson and Telma, two of them, I come out last weekend when they do the eviction show for the excuse me, the Big Brother Niger Pepe them. I think that's which season? Season 4. I'll be watching.
Season 4.
Season 4.
Season 4, yeah. Okay, in case you just tune in, this is Niger FM 102.7, the original Niger station. The day inside the studio with the festival is the ladies' man. I'm me, Godwin Aruwaya, and Lady J. Asa Peter, one of Niger FM. Feel so called a Gallant Mopo Lady J.
Ah, Mopo. Of all things.
And I don't talk as if you wear uniform as a Mopo officer, you go switch to your hip. Your BB hip will show. Alright. I don't know, guys. They get some. You get something where they do, guys. When we see ladies in uniform, never seen that like.
True.
Ladies in uniform, especially the ones who get hip weight tall, like Lady J.
Woman
I go go to
Uniform.
what is it?
Woman with
authority.
authority.
I go go sew you in
What are they?
uniform.
Yeah, whether they be police, whether they be mopo, whether they be army, all of them. So okay. So now they here with us, double dose of Niger original. Now they give. And also every Tuesday like this, every Big Brother housemate we don't come up. They always call me. Last week we get Toyo. This week before then we get Kimopra and Ella and also now so they be today. Now Nelson and.
this problematic girl. You need to give me a
Tell my most start. They say ladies first. Tell me how you did now.
I'm fine. I'm okay. Are they okay?
You're actually fine. You fine for ground past you.
Oh.
Ooh.
If I say
They've been
if I
saying
say
that.
the camera for that house, no do you.
No, some people they
Even the ladies in the studio, they shake heads, saying that true.
Oh my god.
Oh, you find over for ground.
They
Okay,
blush.
so before you come up here, you go up.
Hey, hugging things.
And then Nelson, you also, you say you look good, you look more handsome on ground. No wonder, now you understand. Because when I see you for that house, you don't find like this, and they say, what's wrong with the thing with this hairstyle? You know, Nelson actually for the house, maybe like the camera, Nelson look like spoiled rich boy, we just fat.
Hey, God.
But for yeah, you can't really look like model.
Hey, whoa.
Even when the book at the house, you say whether you go continue with the modeling, Mr. Nigeria, they like whose body. Now I see, now they understand. Camera not see something wrong with that camera.
Height now.
Seriously,
God.
the truth, something they wrong with that camera. Because you not even fat, like the camera, they make you feel like your house. You know, I tell my look taller, prettier, you know, so Mike will go send you where you go replace the cameraman. Okay, but welcome guys. Let's say ladies first. Tell me.
Yeah.
I don't want to repeat the same question where you cannot ask you, but just tell us basically how your experience be for the house.
I had fun, I must say. I was able to meet different people with their different madness and their different characters, you know. I was able to learn some things that I never get to do in life.
Yeah.
Like especially the arena games, the task.
Yes.
Like almost every Friday you get to learn one or two things. Like I've never been opportunity to do those things. So many things in the house. I was able to accumulate some certain things anyway. So it was really fun.
Okay. You get one question I don't decide to ask you since last Sunday. You feel say if you look at what people go say in hindsight, you go feel say that a kind of disadvantage for you to enter the house as somebody will get somebody outside. And like an engaged person will enter the house. Because that man means say since you get somebody outside, you go to reject all the advances for the guy. If you say that disadvantage to enter the house, in case for future for anybody won't go, say that disadvantage for somebody to enter the house as somebody who don't marry or we get fiancé or they engaged to somebody.
No, it's not really a disadvantage, depending on the understandings of the.
Move
Okay, it wasn't really a disadvantage to me, and all these things depends on how you understand each other.
Guys toast you for the house.
It was clear even before we got to the house. People that are in a relationship and people that are single.
So because they don't know say you engaged, they can't avoid you.
They lash, they talk.
They're not great talk. And they don't
Fraud be the spinner over.
Now everybody fraud they like.
Me I tire for the matter, but I don't go feed us.
So but tell my fraud toast you.
He was coming, you know, he I hate it when someone go for this, you go for ice cream first, there is no ice cream, and then you now say, okay, let me just go for Chivita.
Okay.
So now, you know, he went to Esther, and then at some point, maybe because it didn't work out, so he now started coming closer. I swear to God, I first stopped that guy. If not that I just left there, I would have said everything to his face. Oh, so that was exactly what happened.
Okay, so we'll talk to you, Nelson.
Shoot.
You don't get babe before you enter the house.
I don't get babe.
How
You
far?
won't give me babe.
How far we Esther? The Esther, I first catch your eye for the house. Or
No,
the option where if you just
people they always misinterpret this matter based on one or two. But from the onset, Esther from day one. My party woman, my friend.
Your friend. Okay.
Now, Diana, person be say, I be first
Now you first
like
like
Diana.
Now you first
na
like.
correct babe.
So-
But the thing be say, Diana no fit manage the emotions well because Diana be they like Sadi, they like Toyo. When they like me, me I come even confused. You know go fit share equal amount of feelings for.
Wait, he
Eh?
said, wait first.
3 guys.
You said
Yes,
you
now.
said- Wait, you said Diane they like. How many people you said Diane they like?
Sadi, Toyo, myself.
3 of them.
Three of them, and they show us equal amount of emotions,
Attention.
like attention. Like I'm like this girl na grade 1 teacher. How she dey take balance A, B, C, like put those sequence together.
So she did with you, like they give you full on
They
divided
give me
attention.
as she don't leave me bam, you know. So I can't like the perceive her like say one kind one play with my emotions. So I can't like you know what. I like her as a friend, who just leave her like that.
Okay.
Then my man come tell me say, "Toy, say okay, but the man I like this Diane girl, help me now." I call just come on body. Make my guy fall in.
Now you
Because say I
come-
be
now you
selfless for the man now.
Now you can't concentrate for Esther.
No, Esther, right? Like I said, Esther na
Yeah.
my G from day one.
They won.
Okay.
So we can't talk more, can't they bond. And Esther no person we always like talk to everybody for the house. So now only me, she dey fit yarn with them. Me I can't know where at some point. My left leg been dey very swollen. So medication wey they give me for the house now, can't they make me dey crash too many times.
Okay, because you didn't sleep well for that.
Ah, seriously. I sleep.
Yeah,
I know say I sleep.
Okay, so but going forward, anything fit happen between you and Esther in the future, now you just be party.
Make we see how they go from.
You feel say as you don't come on now, they come some going to talk for both Twitter and everywhere say fraud not going to be the happiest person now because if you say the coast not clear for
No,
Esther.
no.
If this Esther will ever give fraud, I go figure it for fraud.
I no go
Based
fit
on wetin you don
speak
see
on
there.
Esther behalf, but Esther wey I know wey be strong willing person, and based on wetin we don talk, I doubt her.
Who and who take themselves for that house? Because news been they come say you and Esther been under the duvet.
I know Lolo, I know.
But what
I
did
know-
they do the other day?
Ah no, we no dey do,
What you do? Tell us.
we no do anything.
When
Just-
I
you
come
don't-
duvet where now?
We come and do the gist na.
Under duvet.
You know say the temperature for that place dey really cold.
Wait, mouth dey. I don't know say if person dey talk, the mouth dey move like body. We see movement.
So if my hand move like this now, I wan just change body. This
Just
thing
say na
posture.
hand move. Oh.
So it means say something be
Tell
happen.
me,
No.
tell me you suspect anything. So
Eh, now
that
see their best. See, man, I don't hear what for night.
Hey!
Wait,
dey
wait,
gist.
nah. Eh, they hear when somebody go.
No, forget. No, go there. No, go try am. No use me catch cruise. Cause I go
No.
better your body.
No,
That man
don't
was
use
horny most of the time.
Tell me what's on
Yeah.
Jesus. Hey, yeah,
That's what she- that-
you just say the
that I like that, that I
I
like
don't
that.
use am cash,
That I-
please make
that
me
I-
enter me. So you
that
just enter
that I
me
like
now.
that. So she use like so she dey wiggle her leg together.
Eh.
Now they congeal with that part.
Imagine,
See.
you know that number dance. You just look at me. When I
No,
do that,
she tell
like,
me
it's like honey.
say she dey miss her guy say the thing dey hook her.
Ah,
You know.
Okay.
Thank you, 1-1. You don't
Okay.
hit me back. Don't worry.
Okay, but
From
tell
the
me,
back.
tell us who you actually like pass for the house. Both
Okay.
male or female, anybody. Who be your favorite person for this house? Say,
Wait.
this person ain't real pass. This person ain't. You feel say, if you get the power to make one person win, that you don't did there now. Obviously, that yourself
Okay,
you go make
to
me.
win,
Who be the one person where you feel say this person I like pass with what I mean.
How can you involve likeness and the winning? Just say,
Yeah.
if it's in terms of winning, I will say, okay, let's Mike. I can just
Mike.
say Mike here.
Okay. But who if you say get that one now, you go like me Mike win.
Yeah.
But in terms of what you don't see for everybody, who if you say get the strongest following, and the little more you don't learn from outside when you come outside, say
I've not
in the
really
way-
checked.
in the way, so you know you need to know who if you say be the
If it's in
front
terms
runner.
of followers, I think
Yeah.
Tasha.
Thatcher get more followers.
Yeah, I
but,
think so.
But what do you think about Thatcher's response to Ebuka when they ask her?
Me, I feel my own
I
perception.
used to see the trend up to now.
My own perception be say she they take her own away, so she lose balance. That's like you said, one plus one. So
Boy,
it just
Ebuka
shake her.
ask her like 3 or 4 times.
No,
That
the
one
thing
na
be say
opportunity to recover.
the thing be say anyhow it be, you don't first strike, so you don't lose. Person don't lose composure entirely. So the comeback, she just get massive comeback.
Chama, what do you use for answer like say na you dey ask that question?
Thank God they don't even
Just
answer
of the
me.
winner.
Sorry, they don't even ask me. I say answer me. But if the same at me they ask that question, at least I would have involved something like someone that has this intellectual aspects, smart, someone that is smart, you know. At least these are some kind of futuristic characteristics of.
You know why because they ask that question. You know, say most times people they very controversial like Thatcher, where they be like the firebrand, the troublemaker. They always reach the final stage, but most times they don't win. Except for the Big Brother West Africa, where we know say this babe win that time. No, who is that? Karen win. But the Nigerian own, we know say the first one of them if he own. This white lady, a yellow lady, T-Boss, she reach the end, she no win. The other one, Sisi, controversial, you know win, but they go far. So what people call is that she get plenty following. What are the expectations she go answer? Maybe as they say, okay, what you go say, as she can say, well, now me. Three categories say me. No, what do you mean? I mean, okay, well, when I say me, they say, are they controversial? Are they confident? You understand? Now
I understand.
So when you go, if you talk and people go say, okay, the me, what she mean, we say, are they controversial? Are they confident? Are they talk by mind? But now I think I but she just people come begin the yama for two. But as one I see the supporter,
you know, say everybody did different. The way you go take corona, no be say you take corona. So I feel say for class, if they ask you question like this, hit you like normally they ask you question for class before. They go say, hey you there, 1 + 1. Last week, even though they ask you the question like 10 times, you know get that.
Especially when you know the expecter.
But if you be that kind of person, you don't already put your act together, maybe possibly yes. But for her, I just feel say the thing just come too strong for her matter.
Okay, but as if one of the people who quit those scheme opera.
I'm not too scheme opera.
Because she said that like 4 people in Russia went
no, I know the people.
You know them, but you don't follow. Who can't be the babe? You could the one you like. You say she they do attention.
No, Diane get plenty people. So who can't be stay with the body Esther?
The babe who I like.
Where you can't like final.
Like who I like.
Like.
Wait for really like
okay. Like I said, I like Diane.
Till now.
No, I like Diane.
Not to talk again.
Well, but based on the fact she was everywhere, then I say okay, fine, I just free the babe. But Esther is a very strong willing woman. Esther is a very firm woman, and I respect Esther for the fact say Esther na person be say she no go let her emotions show to you. She always put her act together.
Okay.
And Esther no be able to say they like go around, go they talk, say certain person to me. Make I always respect the guy. I like Esther for that alone.
Okay, apart from that, you and Esther, what they ask. Any other people don't take themselves for that? I mean, under the duvet.
Gedoni and Kafi.
Yeah.
Gedoni and Kafi. Enough deliverance they happen from that.
Bible you know every hotel where you go Bible they draw.
Thank you. Anywhere where bad thing happen na there Bible they always dey.
And when they play that Champions League, they say na lights out.
Yes, lights out.
Yes. But when I still they observe say
they start from light on to light out.
Forget lights out with the sell for us. For lights out the thing will come be black and white.
Yeah.
For us they will come there they look. Sometimes the other day over the weekend I just they look they sleep. For like 30 minutes and they work. Some people go sleep turn like this. I go say, see, I can't tell say I just watch these people they sleep. I don't understand. Lights and black and white they show. But you go see the movement. Under the
no, initially the movement was not really obvious, but now
they don't send you again.
They don't send again.
Okay, Thelma, before we talk about we never ask you to ask Thelma say who she feels say get the biggest chance to win. Now also
biggest chance to win.
She say based on following Thatcher. What do you think?
Me, I could just say because I get party me be say for the house be say
Mike, sorry.
Mike say I respect a lot. So but for the fact say I want out of respect say I respect them but still I want root for woman this period between Mercy and Thatcher. Mercy and Thatcher, like these are very famous women. Forget it. So I respect these babes a lot.
Well, if I tell you who I want me to win, well. One of the two people want me don't come out. That one I told you. The other one want me to emotional. Why? I told them that Shekiri and I be Shekiri, but I did bias. Yes.
No, normal thing. But we want Nigeria.
That's why they campaign for them for radio.
We want Nigeria.
Now when two of your commander you call to me to start to announce when they vote for.
We want Nigeria still.
Yeah, mashallah. Yeah. Okay, so Kafi, what next?
I'm not Kafi.
Sorry.
Thelma.
Sorry. Not for Kafi. Then my man. I ain't talk Kafi.
Like
Thelma, what next?
Yeah, Thelma is out here already. I like to go into entertainment movies precisely.
Okay, you be actress. You've not been act before now.
No, I've not really. I've had the opportunity to act actually, but then I was in school, so it's really affected me. So I just need to concentrate on one. So.
But naturally, they say everybody an actor because all of us, even when you want to collect school fees for your parents, they act. You want write project, you go act. But they actually they send. You know what would they do to our boys?
Yes.
Now all the acting. Don't say they don't write script, but they come naturally. And so you want to enter into acting.
Yeah.
Okay, you think about modeling too because you feel like who could be you know.
I don't even know about that modeling
Fine.
thing. When I was in 100 level, they kept on coming for it. Like,
Okay.
I don't want to do. Seriously.
You don't consider
Even okay, when I was in 500 level, I had the
short.
opportunity of doing one.
What did you study?
Medical lab science.
No wonder I say 500.
500 level.
Oh, okay. So I had the opportunity of doing one. So I got the form, I did the audition, I went just for me to go for the camping and then we were writing our professional exam.
So you just dump.
So I just, even those stuff still are still with me.
You really feel like who like book well.
The course I read was because I didn't go into the house in the Bible and I'm regretting it.
I didn't Sam at one point in time.
But I hope you guys understand the Bible he's actually reading. Back to the question.
Wow. Kema, you made a drag fish for pot.
I know you always backfire.
No, but that fish matter when they exchange on words and all those kind of stuff. Now I don't feel say they only let off steam that time. You understand? But all the same, so they talk and they hear you. So now if some of these are sponsors now, we sponsor or whatever, because eventually I know say that when I go see an endorsement deal with all these sponsors, they're gonna say I want me you do modeling, you know do.
Modeling. Oh my god. I don't know. Although
You
like
get
I said,
comfortable inside bikini and all those things, maybe they see them.
it's not that I don't, even while I was in Big Brother house, I refused.
They use full swim frog bath. I'm naked. I don't naked.
Wait, they can't talk for chest and everything.
Don't mind this guy.
I didn't lie. They wear full swim frog bath for inside bathroom.
Now.
Why?
Because okay, see the bathroom guys, they will just have to be walking. They want to.
But
when they are brushing their teeth, and they will
call
see you
it
through the
too.
mirror.
Because you can't peep too. I don't catch you before.
Because what if they look from cloth and out of cloth different?
And that's why you guys.
So they will need to walk out come closer.
The funny thing
so
is
you guys
we
get
party
this,
men they give the ladies privilege to bath
Go
first.
back first.
So I won't take on a look. When would they bath? They pass their two now. What if I happen?
That's two they
I
pass.
want one. Two they pass.
See, thank God say you don't.
I want
I do me, I do it.
Suppose even they share the bathroom like who could bath, you bath. Yes, you see, I see too. But
Hey,
they call it stingy.
Hey.
No lolo, no bathing, nothing. We'll call sick, they will chop. I swear, who made, we guys even present one particular, they say, this now, ban is their day. They don't even appreciate us, okay.
Now the only better thing when
Paddy-
they don't ever do and I don't go forget. That since why I know you know the better thing when you don't do.
Okay, fine. Okay, so.
No, the ladies did that. He said
Okay.
that.
Okay, Nelson. We know say you still want to do your Mr. Nigeria and all those stuff. Tell us more. Waiting mood expect.
I don't do Mr. Nigeria already.
Before,
I'm
okay,
like
so you-
I'm like the current winner of Mr.
Are you the
Nigeria
current Mr. Nigeria?
2018. Yes.
No.
Now, not Mr. Nigeria, Mr. Universe Nigeria.
Mr. Universe Nigeria.
Yes,
Okay.
2018.
What will be the difference between Mr. Universe and Mr. Nigeria?
There are different platforms. No one will call
Two different platforms.
Yeah, two different
Okay,
platforms.
fine, okay.
There's Mr. Nigeria. There's Mr. Universe Nigeria.
Okay.
And I think these are eight year already.
Okay.
So I dey plan to go for Mr. Universe Tourism World in Philippines. That's in November. So I dey first try to hit the gym like real quick. Man, just muscle up.
Put your
Muscle
packs
up.
back.
Put my packs back
Make
because
get your six
I
pack.
don't to dream make for that house. Gonna mess anyhow.
Hey,
No
no,
way.
Be the CEO.
Now Mashallah they mess.
Mashallah.
Mashallah mess. 50%.
Oh Jesus.
Okay. So what?
Let me just forget about the
How
mess.
una dey cope?
Thank you very much. They won't keep pacing. I can't slim down with
But they
mess.
mess too.
I know they.
Why you do
So now go
your
just dey
why you do your audition?
Audition for Port Harcourt.
Port Harcourt, where you audition?
Enugu for
Enugu
two.
Okay, fine. Okay, so Amashola now, before we let you come up for inside.
Omashola bawo.
Again.
That's how you call me
Nelson.
Nelson.
Nelson. Or if you call her my darling in height.
Thank you.
Amashola now want me to win. They come my mind. Nelson, okay. Nelson, if you get one thing where you for do differently, now we don't come out. Say, what do you feel say be that one thing?
That one time I for do differently. Let me see. I for try no allow that meds affect me. So I'm not going to crash. I'm not saying that waiting kill my game plan because I feel say obviously they go always give people the waiting they want to see. But since I've been just the out of the entire view, it just cast me.
So wetin come cause the swelling of the leg now?
I don't understand. I just get very mad swelling like my full left thigh. rise. I no fit waka.
Wow.
So the med they gonna give me now. Jesus Christ.
Don't make it this.
They no do massage on top.
No be. They like get ball inside your leg.
Troy. Wahala.
What if you do different in Telma? Based on what you don't see. Now, what if you say, if I say I get another chance,
For the wash
I will
plate,
do
no.
this thing different.
They're not serious. Wash this place. I'm not even gonna stay wash plates if I get back into that. Wait till I feel say exactly what I did. I'm not even regret because I don't do anything wrong to start with.
You did very lively and active.
Yeah, so
Them I like sleep too.
no. Anything that I did, I would have just.
This as why I come out. Them I come carry the crown for snoring.
Oh,
Congrats.
Somebody snore.
I told you.
So, you don't. Now let me tell you why he had that swelling on the leg.
What happened?
Number one, Esther today sit on that lap. Even see you see that duvet. Let me now tell you because I have been trying to keep this one. You just try to open me on yash. Thank God. Thank you very much. That's why I clapped.
No, feel free.
Esther sat on. You know that he was just lying down. Anything that is happening under that duvet, me I know because see their
Because
bed.
he be witch now.
See my own bed. See Kafi. Imagine that combo. I know they sleep for nights. You gonna hear
But they
from
snore.
here. No problem, because I don't hear finish before that one come.
Okay.
Now you don't they too much. Oh, you know that maybe one or two want put something.
Okay.
The girl come out, enter toilet. The thing too rise. Too much of rising and not putting it somewhere. The thing come cause muscle cramp. But that's for real.
Maybe they give the babes a massage for the house. So if na rise problem, for don't get them since.
You
But that
get
one
am.
problem. I get self
You
control.
get an made that and the thing come disfigure you.
I
You
get
know when
self-control.
it's upon the waka Jesus.
Okay,
So
fine.
sorry.
Okay, fine. Before I let two of them come off of studio, yeah, one more question for two of them before I tell us on our social media and all that. You know, the way from what I don't see now and everything. What do you feel say be the one thing where if you say listeners and what people they watch fans they actually look for self when make them they vote for person. What you say they want make the person go win get. Because now we don't they confused because most people they other than the evict, people get different qualities. What did you say be that one thing where they look for?
For me, I feel entertainment,
Entertainment.
realism, and one more thing. I feel people they always look for people who say relates to their personality.
Okay.
That's one of the major things. So
Controversy too, they say about.
Yeah, it
controversy
does,
they say, but at the same time when you come out, you go shit you for better.
Now, what do they keep them? Sorry, I don't say tell man. How do they keep? What do you be that name? Thatcher inside that place.
Really,
Controversy, right?
if it is controversy that still kept her in the house, I'm supposed to still be in there because it was even two of us that started the whole controversy.
But a nice controversy you they get. She her own now like she
Nice.
insult person like the other day when she insult she dey
Okay,
insult.
nice controversy, really.
Yeah, you're
Thank
talking
God
about
though,
nice
because I have heard so many that Tema is rude, Tema is so insulting. Because I know I hit Omashala on the
No.
head, I hit
Most people
Sheyi.
go tell you say Thatcher. So most people go say Thatcher they more insulting than you.
You know why? Because outside she's already insulting. Everybody already know her.
Okay.
Of course. So that's why her own tends to be obvious. Because of course.
All right.
That's
So
it.
so what, just remind everybody your social media handle before when I come on.
Official Thelma, that's my
Official
IG.
Thelma.
Nelson BBN4.
Nelson baby. Okay, well, Nelson and Thelma, we wish you all the best on endeavors. I know so they go see something as the good thing is say whether you win, you don't win. I don't really turn to big time celebrities, superstars. Now followers with the climb down. They're gonna sign an endorsement deal and all that. Just make sure that when they chop all the money, when I remember say, when I get guys with it here.
Yes,
God,
sir.
you know,
You the roots for Mashallah. I believe me free now.
but you know get there now. I know
But you know
people
say,
say come on.
that's the good dad
You
now.
understand?
You know say we take compatible.
All right,
Why you dey vex now?
Thanks,
You don't
guys.
forget our compatibility.
Thanks guys for coming.
In fact, I
We
know
wish you
you
all the
bye-bye.
best. Tell my every greet your fiancé, yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Shot fired.
And Nelson, nice one, yeah. We wish you all the
Thank
best
you.
for Mr. Universe.
Thank you very much.
It's pleasure when they go. When they go break, when we come back with the continuous workshop, the midday show live on Top Nigeria FM 102.7. No go anywhere.